That is the driver.
This is Mark, the driver to the president. The driver to the president. He has been.
Yo, number So let me talk to the journalist. Jagala creating a space far from the camp. I don't know if you can beside them. To the side. Banange. Now, journalists on what side? We're here. Bananga, tell me Namawire Adeke Bari. You get the Namawire. Okay. So, okay. Kaduverene silence. Ladies and gentlemen. Don't open. Let's have some silence. Ladies and gentlemen, citizens of the world. As you can see, our lives continue to be in danger every day. Right now, we are being attacked by the Uganda People's Defense Forces and the police. As you can see, they have shot 5 bullets in our car. That is a bullet hole. That is a bullet hole right there. And not only there, they even shot. You will get the insect. They shot this tire too. Right? And they even shot a bullet here, which was supposed to kill my driver. That is why my driver does not understand anything. Honorable Zake survived narrowly, and my driver survived narrowly. This is where the bullet has passed. That is exactly what Museveni is doing to Uganda. I'm a presidential candidate, but I'm not allowed to use the main roads. I'm not allowed to access the people in the township. But even tell those people to come down. Very peaceful. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is what General Museveni is doing. I am a presidential candidate who is not allowed to use the main road, who is not allowed to talk to the people in the township. But even where they diverted us to the village, I am telling all of you citizens of the world that Museveni wants to murder me as soon as possible. But don't go in Uganda. You cannot kill all the citizens of Uganda. Ultimately, we end up like all dictators. Not in Uganda. Basebo ne banyabo abatulaba wano Uganda ne Bunaira embera eri mu Uganda ye Maka presidential candidate Maka Yona mas Yagala obudde butugendeko. The presidential candidate attakirizibwa kuyita ku nguudo eziri public. Buli wentuuka ku luguudo olwa kolansi amagye ne polisi nga batusindika mu kyalo. Presidential candidate atakirizibwa okwogera ku radio, atakirizibwa kutuuka mu kibuga kwogera n'abalwanyi. Naye ne bwe tukkirizganyiza amagye ne polisi nga basimbyewo emmotoka ne batulaga eno mu kyalo kye olaba kye bakoze. Emipiira gyaffe bagikubye amasasi n'ogweri bagukubye amasasi ne bagezaako n'okututta. Lino essasi eriise wano libadde lirina okutta driver wange naye awonye, yensonga lwaki takyategeera, atudde nawali ojemalage n'omupiira omulala gwe bakubye essasi. Tokoveeyo omupiira omulala gwe bakubye essasi guguno nagwo bagukubye essasi egutuula. Kakati Mwami Museveni bwatyo bwe yeeyisa ng'akozesa poliisi n'amagye. Olunaku lw'eggulo basse abantu 5. Olunaku lwa leero bwe tubadde e Kayunga bakubye bannaffe nga mwe mulina owa poliisi gwe bampapulira security yange. Yandimanyi kitubulesi ali mu mbeera mbi. Eyo y'embeera abalina okubeera abakuumaddembe gye beeyisa bassebo ne bannyamu. I'll say this in English. Yesterday, the police murdered 5 people by running over them. They are dead. One of them was a very close friend of mine. The police killed them. Today, they attacked us, shot various people in the legs, and producer Dan Magic, who was right next to me, had his face shattered and teeth removed. Afande Kato, who is the head of my security team, also went with his eye bruise almost removed. So that is the situation in Uganda. That is the situation that Museveni has subjected Ugandans to. But I must tell you, Museveni, you cannot kill all of us. Ultimately, you'll end up like all dictators, like all brutal dictators end up. And I'm glad you know how they end up. Yes, thank you.
Let him finish, then you can come back to it because it's still here. Take it.
What was your plan? Lukman. Inja.
Wewe mwenyewe pia na masaso ya Timo. Afande mtu kulia masasi mwaga pogera na mtu. It is
mwe abajasi mwagala kuwa mabuyisi abana Uganda mugenda kutya temusobola kudda mutuwamba mutegeri amavu okutemulye bakanga
Tawa.
Bali batola mumbere mbi bulamwe wona bamwe mudawo. Bonale power president to be. Wewe mukomita vyo wali kwamba koti wali. Okay, right.
Saidie ngawe nabalengeza nabo babo. Kuveya Bogumi.
How are you, Mr. Arapis? Why are you people trying to murder me? We've been blocked from the main road, sir. We've been blocked from the town. But when we reached here, I think, have you seen what they did?
No, you know, you are very.
Have you seen what?
You are very wanted.
Have you seen what they did, sir?
You are supposed to proceed with that route.
Have you seen what they did?
Obey orders.
Have you seen what they did?
No, let us get a vehicle and you move.
No, you are no officer of the law, sir. I'm a presidential candidate.
Yes.
And I think
Let us
we
get
should...
another vehicle. We go to the venue.
Officer, I am only asking a legal question, sir. You are the regional police commander.
Yes.
My name is Chagulani Sentamu.
I know.
I am the presidential candidate. And I'm engaging you in your capacity, sir. Unless if you're saying that we have no. So you are an officer of the law, okay?
Yes.
The police and the military just fired live bullets
No,
at
you
us.
wanted to know a police officer and a military officer.
You know you are lying. You know.
Why do you
Have you seen when? What is your name? What is your name?
That's not the issue.
No, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? I want to know who I'm talking to. I may be talking to a wrong person.
No.
What is your name, sir? Are you so ashamed to say your name?
I'm not.
What is your name, sir? My name is Chagulani.
Dauda.
Come again?
Hiriga Dauda.
So, Mr. Hiriga Dauda, according to the law you studied to the level of being a regional police commander, you are supposed to shoot at a presidential candidate. That is
no.
So you agree that what is being done is wrong?
You wanted to know.
Hold on. You agree?
You wanted us to run somebody, then you celebrate as a presidential candidate. Okay.
Mr. Arapis.
Honorable Chagulani, can we solve the problem?
Yes.
Let us get a vehicle.
First of all, you're the commander of this region.
Yes. Then we
I know what
venue,
has been.
You talk to the people.
Yes.
You proceed to come with it.
Thank you very much. Now you're talking nicely.
Your people threatening.
I have one request from you.
We don't want anything from you.
I have one request from you, sir.
Telling you to go through the town and then
Mr. RPC, please let's talk like citizens of Uganda.
Yes.
Let us talk like decent people. Yes. We are not your enemies. I'm not here to confront you. I'm here because I know your mandate is to serve and protect the lives of Ugandans. I have only one request. Sir, yesterday 5 people were murdered. Just less than an hour ago, 10 people were hurt. Some are shot in the legs, others were my close associates who sent them to Kampala. Can you kindly ensure that we are not murdered when we are in your jurisdiction?
That one I'm going to assure you.
Can you please, another one, can you please prevail over your officers who are holding guns not to fire at us, please?
Fine, that one is noted.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I request you. You have attempted 4 times to divert from our route to map.
Sir, you don't own the roads of Uganda, sir.
But
you are a citizen of Uganda like me, okay? You have blocked us from using the main roads. You have diverted us to the village, and that is where you're trying to kill us from. That is what you should say.
Yeah.
You should take the shame and own up the mistakes, okay? I know you don't have a personal problem with us. I know those orders, you also don't like them.
We use this side, we go to the venue.
No, we have to fix our car.
Yeah, let us fix it. It's okay. It's okay. That one I accept. Let us fix it.
But you know what, Mr. RPC? You honestly should be ashamed of what you are doing. I am sure when you go back home and sleep, you are ashamed of that. I'm sure your children don't approve of this illegality. I'm sure your wife does not approve of this. I'm sure you're a senior police officer who knows that you should be doing better. You're supposed to serve and protect, to observe law and order. But now you're doing criminality.
Honorable, the incident has happened. Let us move.
Okay, fine. No, it's okay. Calm down. Calm down. I understand. Mukakane.
Yes.
Mukakane.
Yes.
I understand. Good, officer. You said me, I'm ready to forgive you. My team is ready to forgive you for this. Do you take the responsibility? I'll shake your hand and we'll proceed. We are not enemies. We are not enemies, officer. You accept the mistakes. The incident has happened.
Let us repair the vehicle or we get the alternative vehicle. Then we will move. You are still in my region. We can shake hands at the venue. Is it okay?
But I'm glad you accept that what you did is criminal.
Let us shake hands at the venue.
Okay? We forgive you for that. But we tell you that the people of Uganda are watching you and the world is watching you, Mr. RPC. Okay? You are still a young man, you're still living in this country alone. Okay? Officer, you should be ashamed.
No, let them repair. You see, that is the problem. When you engage us.
I'm engaging you decently, okay? I'm even offering to forgive you. Okay, I'm offering to forgive you. What you did was wrong.
Then we move on.
So very quiet.
Let us repair the vehicle, then we move on. It's okay. That one I will guarantee you. As long as you're in Ginger, you are safe. Is it okay?
Safe on gunpoint?
He's safe on gunpoint.
Please don't shoot us. Please don't murder our people. Please stop this criminality. You are the regional police commander. Okay? Please stop behaving like a criminal. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Honorable.
Justice
Toyina kyogamba.
Oyogera takubala mu magezi.
Mwina manyi kimwe. Mwina buyinza ki. Musobola kutta bameka. Era ne muddawa. Ne muddawa. N'obwo buyinifomu wammwe. Mugenda kunoonya mu bukweka nga temulabawo. Munoonya we mutu. Munoonya tubakweka nga tetukyasobola. Nga muli ku misinde mmwe. Ene ensegenda balaga mmwe. Mbwa.
Kagana yasalawo lozafune ruti nali nemwanguya ene jabikwiramu
Abu.
All the roads are the access roads to Jinja, where they are supposed to report this campaign this afternoon. So that is what is happening right now as we speak. But we are trying to see whether they can fix the tire and we continue. Even the wheel, as you can see, there is a hole in the wheel. As you can see.